Okay, so I have a engine code that is telling me that my cam position sensor is not working or on the way out. So I'm going to swap it out here real quick. It's just one screw. Pull it in. Push the new one in. The screw lines it up automatically and nothing to it. I cannot remember if the sensor was new when I bought the engine or if I took it off of the old engine and put it in. So okay, so there's the old one. Looks fine. Here's the new one. Allow us to just shove that baby in there and take a little oil off of the old one, rub it on the new one's O-ring. Okay. Stuff this in. See, here's the hole for the screw there. So we're just going to shove that right on in. Let us replace the screw. Okay, and that is an 8mm bolt screw. And then I'm going to run back into the Napa store here and get myself a, I want to get a gas can and a pair of sunglasses. The sunglasses I have are awful. Okay. Just a little beyond snug tight will do it. There we go. Okay, and there we go. That is how easy it was to put a new sensor in.